How to fix sticky password for macOS not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall sticky password for macOS. 1. Open your preferred text editor, such as TextEdit or Sublime Text, and create a new file. 2. Copy and paste the following script into the file, #bin/bash. #uninstall sticky password sudo unload /library /launchagents com.stickypassword.stickya.plist. sudo rmrf/application /stickypassword.app. sudo rmrf/library /application support /sticky-password sudo rmrf/library /cache com.stickypassword.stickya. sudo rmrf/library /container com.stickypassword.stickya. sudo rmrf/library /preferences com.stickypassword.stickya.plist. sudo rmrf/library /savedApplication-state com.stickypassword.stickya.savedState. Echo sticky password has been uninstalled successfully. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_stickypassword.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_stickypassword.sh in terminal and pressing enter. 6. You will be prompted to enter your admin password. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, sticky password should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.